Mesdames et messieurs, have you ever been captivated by the effortless elegance of a French woman? Their ability to look chic and put together, no matter the occasion, seems almost magical. Well, ladies, the secret isn't some mystical Parisian air. It's a set of well-honed style principles. Today, we're going to peel back the layers of this sartorial enigma and teach you how to dress like a French woman, even if you're far from the Champs-Élysées. So, grab your favorite cup of tea, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let's dive in. Coco Chanel herself famously declared, "Elegance starts with the perfect fit," and Parisian women live by this mantra. Clothes that skim your body without clinging like a second skin exude confidence and polish. Ill-fitting garments scream cheap, while a tailored piece speaks volumes about your attention to detail. Imagine the difference between a baggy blazer and one that nips you in at the waist, creating a flattering silhouette. Remember, tailoring is your best friend, invest in it, and your clothes will reward you with years of timeless elegance. Parisians understand that true elegance lies in simplicity. They avoid trends that scream for attention and instead opt for classic cuts, clean lines, and timeless pieces. Think of Jeanne Moreau in her little black dress, or Brigitte Bardot in a simple striped top and jeans. These outfits are simple yet undeniably chic, proving that less is often more. Here are some tips for embracing simplicity. Declutter your wardrobe. Get rid of clothes that no longer fit, flatter, or spark joy. Focus on building a capsule wardrobe with quality pieces you can mix and match effortlessly. Avoid over-accessorizing. Let your clothes speak for themselves. Choose one or two statement pieces instead of overwhelming your outfit with jewelry and accessories. Focus on quality over quantity. Invest in fewer, well-made pieces that will last for years instead of buying trendy items that quickly go out of style. Embrace clean lines and classic silhouettes. Opt for clothes that have a timeless appeal and avoid overly fussy or embellished pieces. Think of a Parisian art gallery. The masterpieces stand out because they're surrounded by calming neutral tones. The same applies to your wardrobe. Black, white, navy, beige, and camel are the foundation of Parisian style, offering a blank canvas for your creativity. Mix and match them effortlessly. Add pops of color with accessories, and you'll have endless outfit possibilities. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment. A bold red beret against a navy coat can be your signature statement. Think Jane Birkin in her Breton top and jeans. Simple, yet undeniably chic. Neutrals allow you to experiment without looking overwhelming. Forget the fleeting trends and fast fashion frenzy. Parisian women know that true style lies in investing in high-quality pieces that will transcend seasons and even years. Imagine iconic figures like Brigitte Bardot in her gingham sundress, or Catherine Deneuve in her monochrome ensembles. These weren't the latest fads. They were timeless pieces that embodied their personalities and exuded effortless chic. Think luxurious fabrics like silk, cashmere, and wool, and classic cuts that won't go out of style. Remember, it's not about having the most clothes, but the most versatile ones. Take a peek at your closet. Are there pieces you find yourself constantly drawn to and wearing on repeat? Focus on building on those investment pieces that spark joy and confidence. Accessories are the jewelry of your outfit, adding personality and polish like the finishing touches on a masterpiece. A silk scarf tied around your neck adds instant Parisian flair. Statement earrings elevate a simple t-shirt, and a classic red lip can transform your entire look. Remember, less is often more in Parisian style. Choose one or two key pieces to avoid overwhelming your outfit. Think of it as adding punctuation to your fashion sentence, not writing an entire novel with accessories. Channel the essence of Jeanne Moreau in her signature oversized sunglasses, adding a touch of mystery and intrigue. Denim is a wardrobe must-have, but Parisian women elevate it to an art form. Ditch the ripped jeans and distressed looks. Instead, opt for dark washes and straight cuts that flatter your figure. Pair them with heels or a blazer for a polished look, or keep it casual with a chic scarf and loafers. Remember, the key is to avoid overly casual elements and maintain an air of understated elegance. French women don't just dress well, they also act well. They have a confident and graceful demeanor, that reflects their self-esteem and self-respect. They have a positive and optimistic outlook that makes them appreciate life and its pleasures. They have a curious and adventurous spirit that makes them learn new things and explore new places. They have a witty and charming sense of humor that makes them fun and interesting to be around. They have a polite and respectful manner that makes them treat others with kindness and courtesy. Remember, dressing like a French woman is not about following rules or trends, but about finding your own style and expressing yourself. It's also about having fun and enjoying life. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.